Okay, so GTS3M, I remember when I first saw pictures of this cube and I saw these like weird little ridges and I was like, what the heck is that? That is so freaking weird. But yeah, now that I actually got it, it's kind of surreal really. I mean, it looked kind of fake honestly, and now that I'm actually feeling these, like, oh my god, I'm just feeling these little ridges. Like, okay, so if you didn't know, the GTS3M, like the main thing about it really that is kind of controversial, some people like it, some people don't, is these tiny little ridges over here. You can see, and it goes up about maybe a ½ millimeter, and they feel really weird, but it's apparently supposed to help you like not drop your puzzle, which really helps me in competition, but I'm not sure how they're actually going to feel while doing a solve. It also came with this like really cool stand. Like, look at that. Like, honestly, if I don't end up using this cube that much, I'm probably just going to put this inside here and just put it as display. Okay, so in the hands, these ridges feel so awkward. I'm not really a fan. Now, this is a 55.5 millimeter cube, but because of these ridges, it feels way bigger than that. Like, okay, so these cubes, like, they're marketed as the same size, but yeah, this feels way bigger because of just these weird little ridges. Alright, let's just do the turns now. Okay, the first thing I'm noticing, the magnets are extremely strong, like way stronger than, for example, the 354. Yeah, these magnets are so strong. It feels kind of awkward really. Keep out of the box is really tight. I'm pretty sure if I loosen it a lot and then use the overlooping method, it would work really well. But like, even though it's really tight, it's still really fast. The feel is pretty simple, so there's a lot of clackiness going on during like algorithms, but the normal turns are really fast and smooth, besides the magnets of course. And I mean, the cube is cool, I guess. Like, I mean, it's just the ridges makes it really unique. I'm pretty sure with some setting up it could be pretty decent, but so far out of the box I'm not loving it. It feels too fast, which could be a problem. The magnets seem too tight. The ridges make me want to die, frankly. Yeah, but overall, like, really unique 3x3, and it's good that Moji did something different. But in terms of performance, I'm not sure if it's going to be much better than the GTS2M. I mean, like, this cube might be a little bit of a downgrade compared to that cube just out of the box. Like, when I got the GTS2M, that cube out of the box was like so good and it was like, almost perfect. This cube is not, and it's going to take a bit of setting up, so I'm definitely going to have to do that, and maybe that'll change my opinion. And that's all for this unboxing of the GTS3M. Super weird cube. The performance is alright, not amazing, and also like the ridges makes it feel way bigger than it actually is. Like, it's 55.5 millimeters, but it feels like a 57 millimeter puzzle, and I don't know, I'm just kind of over 57 millimeter puzzles. So yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.